Welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. Finally stopped raining here in SoCal. You got the beautiful sun back outside. But since it's sunny, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle some quick projects. And I got a new tool that I just got from my cousin. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that today. And let me show you guys what it is. Alright, got me a GoPro. Thanks to my cousin Jay. It's a GoPro 8. It's not the newest thing, but it should work for what I'm doing. But this is gonna be perfect because now I can use my hands to film, because this just goes on your head, and I can record a lot of the things that I normally couldn't because I need my hands to work. Like, for example, trying to open this thing. Anyways, today I'm gonna install the bump stops from Metaltech. Well, this is the spacer, it's just I believe it's an OEM bump stop, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace mine because mine it's pretty beat up, and that's like a homemade version of it. So I got this from my friend Oscar. Thank you, Oscar. He gave me this about a year ago, and I've never had a chance to put it on just because I've been working on other stuff. But today, quick project, I'm gonna put that on. It'll be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just gonna unbolt those two bolts and then put those in. So I don't need to jack up the car, I don't think, because I got plenty of space to work here. But let's do this. All right, we got our hands and need our tool. There is a little bit of a lag, so that's kind of weird, but let's give this a try. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we need to, it's a 12 millimeter. At least that's what I use. All right, that is out. Already cut myself. Anyways, see if you guys can see that. So this is my homemade one, basically a spacer, and the stock one I'm gonna be putting on this one, which is in a lot better shape. So all right, so we're gonna install this bad boy. Should be pretty straightforward. A couple of bolts. All right, let's see if I can start this by hand. It is a little tight spot. It's an awkward spot. Get in the hole. Don't you want to go in your hole? All right, all done. should work out pretty well. That's gonna do it for this video. Till next time, catch you guys later. Peace.